What's up, guys? We are here at a car show. That's right, the event is called a car show. We got awesome cars showing up. Look at this. We got this wonderful couple right here. It's everywhere. It's actually a parking garage. We are currently on the 5th floor. VIP vendors, whatever they want to call us. We got the hidden Motorsports setup right here. We got Steve, Chris, Chad, Deborah, merch girl right here, one of them. We're all up here hanging out. We'll go ahead and we'll walk around and we'll show you all the cars. There's a crazy amount that are up here right now, but figure we get an intro started and let's get to it. It's the next day. Event's over. It went out really well. The turnout was really good. We had a lot of fun in Klaus. Ratchet strapped the diff to the car. So we had the JB welded cover and it just looks like it is dripping just a little bit. You saw we did that massive burnout. It seemed to work. We have a new part that came in. This right here is the diff cover. Basically the same one we have. Bought it online. It was like $100. Painted it gold because
I love gold.
A company did reach out to us and we sent them another used cover because they said they are going to make us a billet cover, which will be awesome because nothing should break. Probably will. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to follow us on Instagram. We have one of those TikTok things now. We got all kinds of stuff. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. We'll see you guys on the next one. Balls are out.